In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in ActiveCampaign. This is a valuable skill to have under your belt, especially if you're keen on organizing your contacts for campaigns in a more structured and strategic way. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your ActiveCampaign account. To do this, simply open ActiveCampaign in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and fill those in, and then you'll be navigated straight to your dashboard, which is essentially the control center of your account. It's where all the magic begins, setting the stage for everything else you'll do in ActiveCampaign. Once you've landed on your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is to navigate to the Lists section. To get there, look to the left-hand side of the dashboard where you'll find the menu. From this menu, click on Contacts. A drop-down will appear, and you will see Lists as one of the options. Click on that, and you'll be on the page where all your lists reside or where you'll create new ones. Now it's time for the fun part, actually creating your new list. To do this, on the Lists page, look for the option that says Add a List, or it may say Create a List. It's usually a prominent button on the screen that guides you to start the process. Clicking on this button will open up a form or dialog box where you'll need to enter some details about your new list. In this section, you'll need to provide a name for your list, which should be something descriptive enough so that you'll remember what contacts are housed there. You may also be asked to add some basic details, such as a description or potentially the website URL associated with the list. This information helps maintain a seamless connection between your contacts and their point of origin or the purpose of the list. After you've filled out all the necessary information, remember to check everything for accuracy. Make sure you save your new list. Often there will be a save button, so go ahead and click it to ensure all your hard work creating the list doesn't go to waste. Once saved, the list is created and will appear alongside any others you have in the Lists section, and there you have it. You've just created a list in ActiveCampaign. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently organize your contacts, making it easier to engage with them through your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or hit that notification bell for more insights like this. Happy organizing!